If you're looking to brew strong, flavorful coffee at home without breaking the bank, a Moka pot is an excellent choice. This classic coffee maker produces smooth coffee akin to espresso and is easy to use. Start by grinding 18 to 20 grams of coffee beans to a fine consistency, preferably espresso or dark roast for the best flavor. Fill the bottom half of the pot with hot water, add your coffee grounds loosely to the filter basket, and assemble the pot. Heat it on medium for 5 to 10 minutes until the coffee begins to gurgle. Then stir to blend the flavors. Serve immediately, and feel free to add sweeteners or milk. After each use, rinse the pot with hot water and avoid soap, letting it air dry before storing. To maintain your Moka pot, run vinegar through it every few weeks to prevent clogs and hard water buildup. Enjoy your coffee house experience right at home.